If you love traveling and you always complain about issues that you always have, um, don't worry, this video is a solution. Today we're going to be diving into the most essential apps for daily life and travel, Google Maps. From turn-to-turn navigation to automated directions, Google Maps offers powerful tools that make exploring the world easier than ever. So let's go into it and explore the features that you need to know. Google Maps is not just for directions, it's a fantastic tool for discovering new places. The Explore feature helps you find restaurants, cafes, attractions, and activities nearby places. This is the latest in the area. So these are the recommendations so far based on the local area. So one of the easiest ways to search what's nearby is you just go to the search bar and type in nearby. It may be restaurants. Okay, let's make it general and it will bring all the related. Next, let's talk about the U tab, which is all about making Google Maps work specifically for you. This feature brings everything that you need just in one place. One of the things I have to add on the U tab, I'll tap right on it and I'll go to the home and location, the work. You can set your work location still, and we can create a new list if you want, private or shared, and we can these are the places, the different places. If you maybe you've saved something, you'll find it in the either lists. And now these are the frequent visited places. Then there is a timeline, the following, and the maps. So you can either explore the timeline as we did in the previous section, but I'm not gonna do that. And yeah, there is also the maps. One of the most unique features of Google Maps is the Contribute tab, which allows you to improve the map for other users by sharing your experiences. Here is how it works. So let's navigate to the Contribute. And now this Contribute, we can add a place. Maybe we've seen a place that needs to be added on Google Maps. We'll just come right here and maybe contribute. Here we can answer questions to help others. For instance, people have questions and the only way to answer those questions is to have the answers to the questions. So basically that's how the contribute works. You can add a place, update place, add a review, add a photo, update road, and update address. You can do all that in the Contribute tab. This feature helps business owners to manage their business profiles directly in our Google Maps. We'll go to the business icon and now if you have any business, you can register with Google, or you can register with Google Maps. So you stay updated. One of the best features is the on-go voice command that helps you use your voice. You can maybe call Google or something, but you can also go to the search bar and now you select by yourself as I'm demonstrating now. What we're gonna do is we head over to a microphone and now we continue. Take me to Ginger.
Rolex joint may close within 1 hour of when you arrive.
The settings menu in our Google Maps gives you control over how the app works. You can customize it to suit your needs. Let's head over to the profile icon and now we can also use there are also features. Incognito mode helps you to search without tracing the history. It's the same as for instance in the Chrome browser. If you've not watched the Chrome video, You can, or the Google video, you can tap write that card so that you can view the video. There is also my profile. This is basic. Still, it will show you the profile. You can do edits and all that. If at all you have the timeline is right here. You can update your timeline in any way. You can set up not creating the timeline now. Let me go back. There is also offline maps, so I can select my own. Maybe I want to download a bit of the map. I'll just come right here and download. I'll tap the download so I'll view the map even without the data. So we also have the settings, offline map, Wi-Fi only. We can set our theme to be dark or light. These are the basics. Edit homework, video settings, save trips, Google location settings, personal content. These are all settings. Comment in the comment section below if you want me to go step by step in the settings. I just don't want to make this video it's very long. Google Maps starts with what it does best. Here is how to use it. We're going to go to the directions. For instance, I want to set a direction in case maybe I'm traveling somewhere. And so let's set it up. I'll come right here. I can either search a location manually or I'll turn on my location. But let me just search the location manually. Let me make it insane. Let's do this. New Jersey, New Jersey to Texas. It has given us the route to use. It will take 1 day and 2 hours. Can you imagine? Okay, let's look. Let's do the preview. By car, it is possible. By motorbike, it's not possible. By train, it's not possible. On foot, it's possible. On bike, it is possible. 8 days. On foot, 27 days. In a car, that is 1 day and 2 hours. Now, here are some of the features that you have to know. These are the directions. You can look at how the maps are gonna lead you to where you're heading to. You'll go all the way, all the way. All these are the directions that you'll be following to reach to your destination. So here are some of the other features. This is the preview, this is the share. In case we wanna share this route, we'll send to our friends. You can save the route so that maybe next time you'll just tap where you saved and it will lead you through to wherever you're heading to. There is a very big difference between you just setting up the locations and finding the distance and doing it live. So we're also gonna do it live. I'm gonna turn on my location. This is the icon for location. Then turn on. It's on now. Then to search for the current location right now, I'll just tap the location still. Oh yeah, finally, right there. Let me give an example. Heading to Kampala. Yeah, heading to Kampala. I'm gonna use my location. My location. So it's telling me I'm gonna spend 2 hours and 13 minutes to reach my destination. These are all the directions that I'll be following. So here we're going to set our journey to start. I'll just tap on the start icon. So it is setting up. It will be telling me by voice. Sometimes you need your friends or family to know where exactly you are. And here is how we can share our location. So to share my location, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over. Let me go back. Then I'm gonna tap this location button and now I'll tap on it still. And now the options right here, there is add a missing place, report a problem, save parking. So this will help you maybe save where you've parked. And this other one will collaborations is for collaborations. And now our main issue here is sharing location. So I'll just tap right there and I can share my location. Are you planning a trip? Google Maps lets you create custom lists of places you wanna visit. So let's look at our saved list. What we're gonna do, we're going to go to the saved for you. We'll look and see what we've saved trips. Yeah, so far the sum, you come right here. For instance, you look at your location and now you go, then after you will tap and you can save. There are options of saving. You can save as a favorite, want to go, travel plan, so you can check any that you feel like. Google Map also includes the message feature that lets you message your businesses on the go and interact with your clients, with your customers. This is particularly useful if you want to ask about hours, make reservations, and check the availability of the products without having a call. Google Maps can help you keep informed about everything from traffic on your commute to the updates of your favorite locations. I can select from New Jersey to Texas and it will calculate the distance and the amount of time I will spend by using a car or on foot. Google Maps is packed with features that make it so much more than just a navigation tool. Comment below the comment section anything that you feel like maybe there is something that stood out for you, or any questions, or you have a video suggestions about Google Maps. Please comment in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to 1VTech if you've not yet subscribed. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.